You guys want to check out my goo? Hey guys, and welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Goo's Outdoor Adventure Kit. Some pretty great goo. Goo makes all-natural skincare products that are effective, non-toxic, and made from sensible plant-based ingredients. I guess the ingredients aren't necessarily plant-based. The green goo is plant-based. The ingredients are plants. Made from plants. Across the board, their products offer a way more natural solution to your skincare needs. More so than some other products you might find out there. If you're trying to avoid products that are packed with chemicals, then green goo is the thing you want. Goo's Outdoor Adventure Kit is a selection of 4 of their products that are perfect for anyone who is headed outside. Plus it comes in this awesome box. Look at it. It's got bugs on it and everything. These sunglasses actually don't come with the box, but they gave them to me, so I'm gonna wear them. Alright, I'm done. The Outdoor Adventure Kit comes with Goo's Bugs Be Gone bug spray, their First Aid Salve, which is a great multi-purpose salve, has healing properties, so it's great for abrasions, cuts, stuff like that. It's hand sanitizer, but it's, good for keeping your hands clean. If COVID taught us anything, then it should be pretty much included in any kit ever. Plus, outdoors get dirty. I don't know what else I need to tell you. And their Cool Mint Lip Balm, in case your lips get chapped. This kit contains pretty much everything that you would absolutely use if you're headed outside. In fact, it's a great solid base for anyone trying to put together an outdoor kit, outdoor safety kit, or something like that. Or just to have in your backpack. They're all small enough where you can carry them with you and it won't really make a difference. It won't take up a lot of space. As I mentioned before, Goo's First Aid Salve is a really versatile salve to have. It's great for abrasions, cuts, scrapes, and even itch relief. Could be great for chafing and blisters too, if you're headed into more humid climates. If you're hiking a lot, blisters happen. It's not great, it's not pretty, but having this to help heal your blisters would be kind of nice. Ooh, it actually smells really nice. Rosemary. There's rosemary in it. So, with the theme of green goo, it's made with all natural ingredients. Super useful to just slip in your pocket or your backpack and be on your way. Plus, to actually use it, it's really simple. To just screw it up and rub it on. No mess, no fuss. You could do it one-handed, and it doesn't make your hands all gunky, unless you rub it all over your hands, but whatever. Goo's Bugs Be Gone is an incredible all-natural solution to bugs, dealing with bugs. There is no DEET, citronella, or other chemicals in it, so it is truly all-natural, and you don't have to worry about chemicals compounding in your body. Don't get me wrong, DEET has its place. It can be really useful if you're headed to a place where you're afraid you're gonna get malaria or West Nile virus, sure. But it's also a really hardcore chemical that you shouldn't be using regularly. Goo's Bugs Be Gone is a great natural alternative where you don't really have to worry about chemicals being pumped into your body, and you still get the luxury of not being bitten by mosquitoes. Lemongrass, peppermint, and lavender. Actually smells really nice too. Pure essential oils. Essentially pretty awesome. Actually kind of makes me hungry. That's weird. Next, of course, we have their hand sanitizer. It is hand sanitizer, just regular old hand sanitizer, but arguably one of the most versatile things that are in this box. COVID's taught us anything, it's that you should pretty much always have hand sanitizer with you. Plus, if you're headed outdoors and you know you're gonna be eating, you're touching stuff, hand sanitizer is a good thing to have. Lastly, their Cool Mint Lip Balm. Ooh. It's like getting a little kiss from winter. Not too minty, just right. Ooh, vitamin E? That's nice. Boom, the essentials. What more could you ask for? I know all natural ingredients is a buzzword that gets thrown around often, but Goo actually is extremely committed to having ingredients that you actually can understand. It's not just a bunch of processed chemical mumbo jumbo that you don't really get. They're not overly processed and they're made from natural herbs and essential oils. That's it. That's really it. Though their products are plant-based, not all of them are vegan. There is beeswax in some of their products, but they do offer some vegan options. Another extremely important factor of Goo's products is they're designed to not extract any of the natural waters and oil in your skin. Some skincare products, mostly chemical-based ones, can draw out some moisture and oils that are found in your skin that you need. This often results in having dry skin. With Green Goo, that is not the case. They specifically factor that into their products to prevent that from happening, which is nice because your skincare products shouldn't be giving you dry skin. It's kind of insane, counterproductive. Come on, guys, get it together. One thing to note is the first aid salve especially is heat sensitive. Don't leave it in your car in the sun. If you do, throw it in the glove compartment. Otherwise, you will have a first aid salve mess on your carpet, or hopefully neither. Either way, it does melt, so be mindful of where you store this. That's it for our first look of Green Goo's Outdoor Adventure Kit. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you absorbed the information. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, say hey. It'd be nice if you wrote once in a while. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification. It's important, forget why, but I'm told to tell you, passing the word along. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Red Yeti First Look coming at you next week.